Hi guys, today I will introduce about area 2D charts with the using Fusion's library Infosoft Globals. So when you required in using Infosoft Global library, then you need to put Infosoft Global library and just one SWF file for the viewing your data in the area 2D charts. Area 2D chart is a very important for the creating chart for the animated and graphic charts. So now I'm starting the create area 2D charts sample. So first of all, you just go to the Visual SQL server and just create one table, sales masters. And inside the sales master, three columns are there: sales ID, months, and amounts. And inside the table, some fields are there for the sales. Right? In the January 25,000, in the February 45,000. Now till December 5,80,000, right? So now I'm just select this way, select start from sales master. Just click on execute option. Before the execute, just select a Fusion sample DB and just select data and just execute. Okay, this is month wise sales amount, right? Okay, after that just go to the Visual Studio and just right click on the project because I have already added an empty website. Just click on add new item and just click on waveform, just click on edit. Before the starting of creating area 2D charts, I need to add some library inside my projects. First of all, you just create one empty folder inside the projects. New folder, Fusion charts, and open folder in Windows Explorer. I need to use area 2D. Just copy the SWF file and just paste inside this. Okay, is done. After that, just use Infosoft assembly, add inside the projects. Just click on add reference and just select with desktop because I have in desktop. Infosoft Global. Okay, is done. After this, just inside the DI, we just put one lit one as a run at server. Just save and just click and view code options and use library for the database connectivity. ASCII client. System data. And one is Infosoft Global. Infosoft Global. Info. Okay, no issue. After that, just if notice post back. Okay, now I'm just copy paste the code because I've already created area 2D charts. So just go to the area 2D charts and just copy the code and I'll explain you what is the code exactly. So first of all, just go to the web configurations file and you need to put just add a database connectivity path inside the web configurations file. So I'm just put add. First of all, you just start connection strings and inside the connection string just put add connection strings. Just go to the server explorer. Just right click on the data connection, just click on add connections option. And just click on change option and just select Microsoft SQL server because I have a SQL server and the database was inside the SQL server. Just select a server name. My server name was local. Select the database. My database Fusion sample DB. Just click on test connections. Is success. Just click on OK option. Okay, just right click on your database. Just go to the property and just copy the connection strings. And copy connection string. Just paste inside the connection string squad. Now, the name was connections and provider name was system.data.sql client. Okay, is done. Now just save and just copy the name and just close it, and this name will be put inside this. Okay. When you require to catch a database connection path inside the configuration file, then you need to write code this configuration manager dot connection strings. In the square bracket, just put a connections name and dot connection strings. And just create another XML one global variable for the generating a XML file for the Infosoft global library, which is using area 2D charts. So I'm just copy paste my all code and just explaining what is that exactly. So just copy and just click on paste option. Not full. Okay, no issue. Just paste. Okay. Now I'll explain what is that exactly. So I'm gonna put out there. Just copy and paste. Okay, this is SQL connection for the connectivity with SQL Server and Visual Studio.NET. So I'm just creating one object of the SQL connection. Just pass the connection string, which I have already declared in the global. Okay, SQL data adapter for the firing a query in the SQL Server. My query was select start from sales master, which I have already explained you in SQL Server. Sales master. This is my data. So with connections. Okay, open the data set because I need to store inside the DS. Open the gateway and just data adapter fill inside the DS data. Connection close. If DS is not null and rows count is not 0, then as generate XML just starting from chart. So this is just starting from the creating a XML file and just pass to the SW file, right? So chart caption, my caption means title was monthly sales summary, and sub caption was for the year of 2013, and the x-axis name was months, means I have required data. In the x-axis was month, and in the y-axis was amount, right? And y-axis minimum value was starting from the 1000s, and number of prefix was dollar. Okay, and so value in the 0, right? As generate XML, just put a set label, and inside the label just pass month name, and the value was amount of the month. Okay, just close a chart and just literal one dot text fusion charts. This is my assembly which is coming inside the Infosoft global. When click on this, is it automatically added inside this? Okay, Infosoft global, and enter HTML fusion charts area 2d.swf file, fusion charts, right? Area 2d.swf file, and this is the string URL. I did not require the URL, just pass the XML file, and the caption monthly sales report, width was 700 and height was 300. Just click on debug mode was false. Now just save and run this program and just check out what is the output exactly. Set as a startup, you just click on debug option. Yeah, maybe he's doing that. Okay, just watch it. This is area 2D charts and just check out. This is my February into $45,000, and in the March month 15,000K means $15,000. In the April was 85,000. In the May was 34,000. In the months of July was 125,000. So in the y-axis amount was there, in the x-axis month was there. Monthly sales summary, this is my primary caption. The secondary caption was for the year 2013. This is sub caption, right? This is a month. Okay, so this is a simple basic example of the how to create a area 2D charts in the ASP.NET, and it was very useful to creating a graphic chart. Okay, and thank you very much for the watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel.